Hello traders, welcome to Quantsapp. In today's session, we are going to understand how you can basically trade in the intraday stock options. So from how to select the stock and how to execute the trade, today we're going to see everything in this video. Okay, my name is Diljit, and if you're new to the channel, you can subscribe to our channel, and if you're new to Quantsapp, I'll put up the link in the description. You can sign up to Quantsapp, and as you'll sign up, you'll unlock 20 plus free tools which will help you in your options trading journey. Now, if you are new to Quantsapp, you can sign up to Quantsapp. I'll put up the link into the description, and as you'll sign up, you'll unlock 20 plus free tools which will help you in your options trading journey. Now, if you want to know what is Quantsapp providing or what kind of tools and strategies we are using, you can come here in the learn section and you can see the video library, and you can access to the multiple videos and you can understand how the concept works. Now, in further, if you are having doubts or queries, or if you want to know more about Quantsapp, you can come here in the support section and you can write us or you can call us and we'll try to help you out. Now, let's jump on to the video and let's understand that how you can use Quantsapp in your stock options intraday journey. Now, initially, whenever you are trying to make a view in the market, whenever you're in the market opening around 9:15, from 9:15 to 9:45, first half an hour is very crucial. It helps you give you a view that what kind of a direction we'll see in the market. So what you can do is initially you can see the built up of the top indexes of the market, and you can take a view that generally we are seeing long built up. So mostly there are buyers entering in today's market. Now with that, you can come here in the home page, and when you go below, you can make an understanding with the index contributor. Okay, so index contributor, you can see which of the sectors are performing, which sectors are not, which of the stocks are not performing, and which stocks are performing. Now this will give you an overview that if most of the stocks, like 44 of the stocks are giving positive points to Nifty and 6 of the stocks are giving negative points, and that is also bare minimum. So generally the market is giving you a bullish view. Now with that, you can see the built up breadth also. So you can see the built up breadth is giving you a view that most of the stocks are in the long built up today. So as you can see, you can get a view that most of the stocks are in the green zone all of the day. So initially also, if you'll see almost around 9:30, you can see in the first half you are seeing the most of the stocks, almost 120 stocks are in the long built up. So that is giving you a bullish view. So if you are having a bullish view, now that part comes to select stocks. Now we'll select stocks only on the bullish side. So what we'll do is we'll go on the triggers. So we'll go on the track and you can see the options OI option, and below that you are having triggers. Now what is triggers? Triggers is basically, it's like a particular trigger as the name suggests. It helps you identify stocks which can tend to break out. Okay, so the breakout can be either ways. It can be the breakdown or a breakout on the upper side or a downside, and it can help you identify stocks. Now if you are checking out here, you can see there is the highest call open interest. So there are the strikes of the stocks where we are seeing the highest call open interest. Now because there are highest call open interest there, that means most of the call sellers are available here. Now we just need to see in which of the stocks the call seller are exiting, because we are bullish today, so we are only going to see where the call sellers are exiting. So simply by clicking on the change in OI, you can sort it out into the way that you can see where the maximum sellers are exiting. Now as you can see, we are seeing Chambal Fertilizer as the option. So let's just select Chambal Fertilizer as a stock option trade. Okay, so if you would have initiated a trade in the morning, here you could have almost gained around 3 to 3.5% returns. Okay, now how you have identified that? Now because we are seeing the sellers are exiting and it is very near to the resistance level. Now where the call sellers are maximum, that particular level is acting as a resistance of the stock. Similarly, where you are seeing the highest put open interest, there you are seeing the support of the stock. Now as you can see that 500 level is already broken by Chambal Fertilizer, but initially it wasn't. So let us just analyze the Chambal Fertilizer stock, and let us just identify how you can initiate a trade. So simply we'll go on analyze. This way you can pick up the stock and you can just go on the chart order and trade, and you can deploy the stock there. Now I'll just put the stock. So as you can see, we have added Chambal Fertilizer 5-minute chart. So here we will gonna analyze how intraday you can catch intraday momentum here. Now as you can see, today it has gone in a bullish momentum. But initially, when do you initiate a trade here? So you need to first identify the yesterday's high and low, and you can just make a range there. And if the range goes on the upper side, there you can initiate a trade. Now, if we just mark the yesterday's high, okay, just a second. You can see the high which was made, it was around here. So this was the highest point which we have seen yesterday, and today we are seeing that it opened low, and from there we are seeing the up move. Now your entry point will be somewhere here. Just a second. Sorry. Yeah. So this would be your entry point. Why? Because here we are seeing a 5-minute candle breaking out and closing above the particular range. Now let us just take the identification from the buyer and seller initiated quantity. So as you can see, we are seeing around 13,300 sellers and we are seeing 79,800 buyers. Okay, so that is almost like around 1:6 to 7 we are seeing. So we are seeing the sellers are the buyers are aggressive around 7 times. So this is a good indication for you to make an entry as a buyer or as a call option buyer in the particular stock. So just if the high of the particular candle is broken, you can initiate a trade here. Okay, so you can see the next candle only is breaking the high. So somewhere you could have initiated a trade here. Okay, just a second, I'll just put a long position here. Okay, and your stop loss can be the recent low. Okay, so that is almost around 5 rupees. Okay, so 5 rupees is your stop loss. And if we talk about risk to reward, you can get 1:2 ratio. Yeah, so as you can see, simply by just identifying the stock, okay, firstly you need to make a view. Okay, the view should be either bullish or bearish. Okay, now whenever you identify the view, as I said, you can use the home page and you can use the built up breadth and the index contributors to identify that which side we are seeing the stocks. And let's just suppose as we've seen today bullish view, so you can identify the stocks from the call side. Similarly, if you were having a bearish view, you could have seen the put side in the triggers. Now you can simply identify the stock and you can wait for the right perfect movement, and after that, as you see, when the level is breaking, from there you can make an entry. Your stop loss is the swing low only. So if you would have taken the swing low as your stop loss, and you can see from here the momentum, and as you can see, your risk to reward 1:2 risk to reward can be easily achievable, right? So this way you can particularly use the intraday setup of Quantsapp and trade accordingly, right? So I hope you got the concept. Thank you so much guys for watching. Now if you want to know more about Quantsapp, you can drop your views on the comments and we'll try to help you out. Thank you.